Hi mga kalelang! So for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagbalete Island. Ayan, ikot ko kayo dito mga kalelang. So, but before that, before anything else, please like and subscribe to my channel. Lelang Jo! Ayan, so nandito tayo mga kalelang sa Cagbalete Island. This is my first time here in the island. Yan, although I always hear this place. It's a beautiful, we like that white sand, and the water is so clear. Yan, the weather here is so nice. And the place is beautiful. Yan, people around is good. Ayan. Like that. Very quiet, very peaceful, and ayan, those are the cottages here in Cagbalete Island. We are in the Noa Resort, Noa Beach. Yan, Villa Noa. Yan, so nandito tayo, we are here, and that's the island here. Yan, covered with the water. Yan. Water around that's so quiet, so clean, and very beautiful. Like that. So if you gotta come here using the private boat like that, and that boat is almost 20 passengers like that with life vest, and then from Mauban Port until here is about 1 hour. Yan. And it's so cool, the place. And you know guys, lately before we swim, we catch the fish and some shell like that. There's a lot of shells in the buhangin. Ang daming shells guys. So magsawa kayong manguha. Grabe, ang dami. There's a lot of shells in the water. Yan. Just slowly catch like that the buhangin, and the shell, it's come up. Ayan. So this is my first time here. I always heard the place that is really beautiful. And now, so we are here because it's Ma'am Rhoda's birthday. So she invited us here. So, and that's it. We are here. So if you want to come here, you can come anytime. It's so easy to go here. There's no traffic. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan, because the boat is already here. Yan, sinundo na kami. Yan yung boat. Kaya naman, nagbihis na kami. And we're waiting for the others to ready. They're there at the cottage. And now, already, so we'll wait them until they're done. And we're going na, because after 12 p.m. the water will low tide, and if low tide, the water is we walk the water from here to there, because the boat can come here dahil mababa na dito ang tubig. So we walk there kung saan man ang ating bangka. So mababasa tayo. So that's why we have to move na like this ganitong oras, para kasi mamaya 1 o'clock, and then babalik ang high tide gabi na. Kaya ngayon tayo mag-move out para hindi tayo mababasa pagpunta doon sa bangka, although our bangka is nandyan na. Yan, sinundo na tayo. Ayan, ang ganda dito. Very, very beautiful, like that here. And there's a lot of people here. Maybe the others are mamayang hapon na, like that. So, ayan. Okay. So, there's a lot of people over there. Maybe tomorrow pa sila. And then doon. Ayan. Ito tayo. Ayan, makakita ng mga persons doon. So, dito tayo. Ito tayo doon. And I will introduce you guys. May kasama. Ayan ang ating bangka. So, our farm is almost ready na din. And ayan, ayan, Oda and Frankie and Mother. Ayan, sila. And the others is still preparing. Yan, hindi pa sila tapos. Hi! Kumusta ang bakasyon?
Okay.
Nag-enjoy naman ang my birthday? Nakapag-blow ka ng candle mo kagabi doon sa
Walang
cake?
candle. Cake
Wala?
lang.
Cake lang.
Cake lang.
At least my cake. Happy birthday! Mother. Ha? Hi! Ayan, dito tayo. Puntahan natin sila. They're getting ready na din to Guys, we're going, we're moving out na. Oh, moving out. Hi, Ata Ridge. Ayan. She's also April's birthday. Ayan. Okay na lahat. Kenneth. Hi. Hi.
Sabi na ba yung style po?
May doggy din kami dito. Doggy! Nag-enjoy naman si Bruce. Nag-enjoy naman si Bruce.
Kaya po kayo?
Ayan.
Tapo nga kaya ano? Oh, busin nyo.
Nandiyan na kasi yung bangka namin. Naghihintay na sa amin. So, going to move at exactly 11. Para hindi kami maglakad ng malayo. Kasi kapag hindi kami nakapag-move ngayon, malayo ang lalakarin namin. Ayan nga pala si Bruce. Say hi to Lelang Jo.
Lelang boss?
Wala siyang boses.
Ganyan basta yung basta.
Sen.
Ayun yung basta.
Amil.
Isa-isa kasi. Oh, yeah.
Dikoy.
Puri ka kanin niya. Aya.
Mot-mot.
Kunin ko lang yung itong.
Yeah. Aurea. Jules.
Kanin ka ba?
And the others is inside the house pa. Still preparing. Ayan, pauwi na kami. At ito na nga po. Nagliligpit na kami. And it's all for guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Lelang Jo channel. Thank you very much mga kalelang. Have a great day. Cha-da-dum-dum-dum-dum.